있습니다. 참가번호 11번 이희준 학생이고요. 구용초등학교 2학년입니다. 연상력 1단계 지금 단계고요. 발표할 주제는요. 히컵스입니다. 시작!
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Emilio. I am 9 years old. I want to talk about hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Here's class. I have hiccup. I cannot hiccup a swallow. I can hiccup a swallow. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Here's me. I still hiccup. I cannot take a deep breath and hold it. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Here's me. I still